everyone, it's me, Jason, and welcome back to the channel, where today we're going to be talking about Kidnap on the California Comet, a wild mystery full of speed, clues, and big drama. Book 2 in the Adventures on Train series. If you loved the Hal and Uncle Nat book review, then buckle up. This one's even bigger and better. Okay, here's why I picked the book. As you know, I love mysteries, and after the Highland Falcon Thief, I knew I had to know what Hal and Uncle Nat were getting to next. This one's set on a train from Chicago to San Francisco, and the authors, as the last one, even rode the real train to make it feel more authentic. And the stakes are bigger this time, not a missing jewel, but a full-on kidnapping. That hook, immediate, I was glued, so I had to read it. Okay, here's what happens on this book. Hal is on the California Comet with his journalist uncle, Uncle Nat. Hal thinks it will be a chill trip, not action-packed like the last one. But this train is also packed with wild characters. Hal meets Mason, a mini-magician, and Hadley, his brave, funny sister. They become quickly friends, and they become a detective squad. Then, boom! Marianne, the billionaire's daughter, is kidnapped. So now, Mason, Hadley, and Hal race through the sleeper cars, dining halls, and the glass roof observation deck to find clues before the train hits San Francisco. And here's what makes it awesome. It might not look like the book you might want to read until you actually read it. It has real train detail. The route and scenery feel so real, you can practically hear the wheels. And Hal's sketches are absolutely amazing. And just by looking at it, you can solve the book in an instant. So clever. And there are always twists. You can't go a few pages without one. And there are also fun facts about American trains, food, and culture. Here are the main characters in this book. There's Hal, quiet sketch pro, who notices every single detail, and is also the main character. There's Mason, who's a kid who's also a magician with black hair, blue jumper, and can be kind of a trickster. There's Hadley, Mason's little sister, who's blonde, purple jumper, and loud and brave. There's Marianne, the billionaire's daughter who gets kidnapped, who's also surprisingly, well, annoying. There's Uncle Nat, Hal's journalist uncle, helpful, and is a train expert. There's August Razor, Marianne's dad, who's also a tech billionaire. And there's Woody, Marianne's personal bodyguard, who will protect Marianne at all costs. Okay, here's who should read it. This is perfect if you're from 8 to 12. Like, my friends love it, but it's also pretty much everyone who loves mysteries and likes geography, who likes travelling around the world and learning about different places. Read it with a friend and you can trade for theories, and your friend might even know something that you don't. And it's fun to read because most times you'll be shouting, "Oh, he did it! No, 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 no. Wait, no, he did! No, wait, no, you did it!" Final rating is 9 out of 10 missing passengers. It's so good. Kidnap on the California Comet is funny, clever, and it keeps you guessing until the last chapter. Great characters, brilliant teamwork, and a setting that feels so alive. I love them. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and be sure to check out my other book review on the first book of the series, Hal and Uncle Nat. I'll see you there. Bye!